Engineer Abimbola Akeem Owoade wa Kábíyèsí.
His Excellency, I know he's not sick now, he has gone. The Deputy Governor for your state, Barrister Lawal, the former Governor for your state, General Owoade, all traditional rulers and chiefs, eminent personalities, all members, House of Representatives, all members, House of Assembly, all local government chairmen, all political functionaries, captains of industries, members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I'm using this opportunity to extend my warm and royal greetings and a blessing to everyone gathered here today for this noble and timely occasion. As the custodian of tradition and a passionate advocate for education, I'm really honored to lend my voice to the public presentation of this important book, Know Oyo State, authored by a son of a great words, Prince Dr. Lati. This is not just a book, it's a foundation stone in rebuilding of knowledge and identity in our land. At a time when many of our youths are losing touch with their roots, this work provides a gateway to rediscovery, reminding us of who we are, where we come from, and what we must never forget. As one who personifies culture and tradition, I'm deeply pleased with the extensive treatment given to our cultural and traditional institution in this publication. The Oyo Empire, which I proudly represent, is not confined to just Oyo town. It stretches across many communities and territories with a history that influenced not only Yoruba land, or large part of West Africa. The importance of understanding this vast heritage cannot be overemphasized. And that is why we are taking concrete steps to establish a cultural center for research and development. A center where scholars, students, and seekers of knowledge study the rich legacy of Oyo Empire and contribute to the intellectual development of our people. This book aligns perfectly with that vision. It will serve as one of the many scholarly material we must preserve in the proposed center, alongside profound works of distinguished historians and educators such as Professor Toyin Falola, whose writings have taken Yoruba history to global platforms. These are scholars who have not only researched Oyo history, but have also championed the call for education that reflects our unique worldview. Therefore, I wholeheartedly congratulate Prince Dr. Owoade for this worthy contribution. His journey through journalism and public service was culminated in a timeless gifts. A book that is accessible, engaging, and historically grounded. As I said, I'm particularly impressed by its appeal to youths and students. With over 1,200 secondary schools and half a million students in your state alone. The adoption of this book in our school is not just recommended, it is necessary. This is how we build patriotic minds and confident future leaders. Let me use this opportunity to call on our sons and daughters, both here present and those unavailably absent, to support youth education by investing in this book and ensuring it gets to schools, libraries, and their homes. When we teach our children their history, we have them with pride, clarity, and purpose. My prayer is that may this book find its way into every classroom. May it inspire a new generation of your sons and daughters who will not just remember their past, but rise to defend and develop it. Thank you all.